Unraveling the wisdom within the origins and significance of mindfulness and meditation. Welcome, fellow seekers of serenity, to a transformative exploration of mindfulness and meditation, practices that hold the key to unlocking the true essence of inner peace. Today, we embark on a journey through time, uncovering the origins and reasons behind the birth of these ancient techniques, while also delving into the practical aspects of cultivating a daily practice. Long ago, in the cradle of civilization, sages and mystics sought answers to the profound questions of life. Roaming the hills and forests, they yearned to understand the nature of human existence and the mysteries of the universe. In the heart of an ancient forest lived a wise elder named Rishi, who had spent years observing the natural rhythms of life. One day, as he sat beneath a majestic tree, he noticed how the leaves danced in harmony with the wind, the birds chirped in sync with the rising sun, and the river flowed effortlessly downstream. Inspired by this symphony of nature, Rishi had a revelation: the key to inner peace lay in being fully present in each passing moment. And so, the seed of mindfulness was sown. Rishi began to share his profound insights with others, teaching them to observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment, to embrace the present moment with open hearts, and to appreciate the beauty of existence. In a bustling village, lived a troubled young woman named Maya, burdened by worries and anxieties. Tired of her relentless inner turmoil, she sought guidance from Rishi. He gently taught her the art of mindfulness, to witness her thoughts and feelings without being engulfed by them. As Maya started to embrace mindfulness, a newfound sense of calm blossomed within her, and she could finally see the world with clarity and gratitude. As mindfulness spread its wings across the lands, another powerful practice began to take shape: meditation. The seekers of truth realized that to journey within, they needed to explore the depths of their consciousness. In a sacred cave, meditated a determined young man named Siddhartha. He delved into the realms of his mind, seeking liberation from suffering. After days of intense contemplation, Siddhartha experienced a profound awakening. He comprehended the impermanence of life, and the interconnection of all beings. Renamed as Gautama Buddha, he shared his transformative experience with the world, igniting the flame of meditation in countless hearts. Over the centuries, the purposes of mindfulness and meditation have evolved, adapting to the needs of each era. Today, we find ourselves amid a whirlwind of technological advancement, where our minds are constantly bombarded with distractions. In this fast-paced world, mindfulness and meditation offer us an anchor, a chance to return to the present moment, to reconnect with our inner selves, and to find solace amidst the chaos. The importance of daily practice cannot be stressed enough. Just like a river carves a path through solid rock with consistent flow, mindfulness and meditation shape our minds with unwavering dedication. By dedicating even a few minutes each day to these practices, we gradually cultivate an ocean of serenity within us. We become more resilient to the ups and downs of life, more compassionate towards ourselves and others, and more in tune with the profound wisdom that lies dormant within our souls. Now, let us delve into the practical aspects of nurturing your daily practice of mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness, embracing the present. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in the here and now. Start by dedicating a few minutes each day to sitting quietly, observing your breath and sensations without judgment. This practice helps anchor your mind, fostering a deeper connection with the present moment. Next up is meditation, a journey to inward. Meditation is a voyage within, exploring the depths of your consciousness. Find a serene spot where you can sit comfortably, and gradually shift your focus to your breath, a mantra, or a peaceful image. As thoughts arise, gently guide your attention back to your chosen point of focus. Gratitude, the key to contentment. Practicing gratitude is an essential aspect of mindfulness. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for the blessings in your life, no matter how big or small. This simple act of acknowledgement nurtures a positive outlook, fostering contentment and joy. Compassion, embrace connection. Cultivating compassion towards oneself and others is a transformative practice. As you become more mindful of your emotions and thoughts, you naturally develop a deeper sense of empathy and understanding for the struggles faced by those around you. Whether you are offering a kind word to a friend or simply being patient with yourself during difficult times, acts of compassion nourish the soul and strengthen the bonds that connect us all. As we bid farewell to this captivating journey, let us remember that mindfulness and meditation are not mere practices but profound tools that can transform our lives from within. By integrating these ancient pearls of wisdom into our daily routines, we unlock the true potential of our minds and embrace the boundless serenity that awaits us within. Thank you, dear viewers, for accompanying us on this mesmerizing journey into the realms of mindfulness and meditation. We hope you found this exploration enlightening and enriching. If you resonated with the wisdom shared today and believe it can benefit others, please do like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you never miss any of our insightful episodes in the future. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with peace, love, and a deep connection to the present moment. Thank you for joining us on this meaningful expedition. Take care and be well.